If you're a manager or if your team provides services, you can now easily measure the performance of your work bodies or check if your customers are satisfied. How? By automatically adding one-click surveys to every email in your company. The recipients just need to click one button to rate the product or service they received. And you get full analytics too. Let me show you the ropes now. So let's add a one-click survey from the menu. You don't have any surveys yet, so create a new one. First name it and choose the rating scale. Click Next to start designing. Don't want to use smileys? Click Change Icons, browse through our cool gallery and select your favorite set. Use the slider to change the icon size if you need. If you want labels, you can add them here, but let's skip them in our survey. When you're done designing, click Next. Now set up a page that opens after an email recipient clicks a rating icon in your survey. It's a good idea to add your logo, create a thanks message, and add a comment field. Click here to preview your page. Looks okay? Perfect. You can now save and insert your survey. Okay, you're back in the signature template editor. Click Signature Preview to see how the survey will look like in a sample email conversation. Nice, right? But maybe you're missing a fixed message to encourage customers to give their feedback. Okay, let's add it. Close the preview window, click here and press Shift+Enter to add a text line above your survey. Type your text, modify the font size and formatting as you like, and preview the survey again. Much better, right? Note that you can add your contact details above or under your survey using placeholders, but it's even better to create a separate email signature rule. Separate rules for signatures and one-click surveys give you more flexibility and control. Finally, click Apply and Close to exit the editor. Okay, so one-click surveys are live in your organization and your customers are clicking them in your emails. So what's next? If you're a customer service manager, you're probably wondering how your team is doing. CodeTwo Insights allows you to do that and much more in real time. Let's check it out. Go to insights.code2.com and sign in. Select the survey you created for your team to see customer feedback data. In this view, you can see stats for individual people, check satisfaction score details, and history. If your survey covers more teams, you can also check how specific departments, job titles, and cities perform. But that's not all. Here, you can also check all the customer ratings and comments in real time, filter the results, exclude comments that are irrelevant from the stats, and more. You can also export customer feedback data if you need. With CodeTwo one-click surveys, you'll gain instant visibility into your customer satisfaction levels. Our real-time analytics will help you analyze how your employees and services perform, track trends, and measure customer loyalty to identify where you can improve. And the best thing is, one-click surveys is a free feature available for licensed CodeTwo Email Signatures 365 customers. Already more than 50,000 companies worldwide trusted our email signature service, so if you haven't tried it yet, sign up and test for free.